Oh, I definitely encourage others to sign up to the portal because it's a much easier way of getting in contact and getting your repairs dealt with much quicker, I'm assuming, because trying to phone through at 8 o'clock in the morning or whatever if you're at work is really awkward and sometimes you forget. And also everything in the beginning is a bit daunting. I mean, like when I got my first smartphone, it was just like, oh my God, but now you can't do without it. So yeah, you get used to it.
Yes, I would. It is worth your time to sign up because you will spend less time on contacting Morgan Sindall and booking repairs. You can just go on portal and book.
Actually, you know what? I would really encourage anyone that lives in Waltham Forest who is a resident to create an account with on the portal. This simply because of your ease and convenience. You don't have to worry about being on the phone for such a long time waiting for your waiting to report a repair. You know, you maybe need to go to school or you need to rush to go to work. You don't need to worry about that. At any time, your convenience, you can just go onto the computer and create an account, and it's just easy for you to use at a touch of a button. You don't have to worry about delays. You don't have to worry about whether you get through or not, or waiting in the queue and getting knocked off and have to call again. You just go at any time you want, click a button, and your repair is actually noted. And also you can check the information that Waltham Forest has on your tenancy. And what's also good is that you can actually track it to see how far it's getting along, and maybe you have some last minute changes, you can change the dates. So I think it really is, I would really encourage anyone to join on this portal.